Hi, welcome to the 8th and final part of your VISSIM tutorial. This is a completely optional tutorial. These are some optional steps that you can do in your VISSIM simulation. If you observe the simulation carefully, so let's run the simulation again and we can check out how it works and how the vehicles will behave in the network. If you look at the turning vehicles, they will turn at the same speed that they are actually approaching the intersection. And if you think about it in real life, you slow down when you approach a stop sign to turn right, or you're doing a left turn lane. You're not traveling at 60 kilometers an hour through your turn lane. So what you can do is add reduced speed areas to correct this issue. So I'm going to stop the simulation here. That's fine. We'll go close the data collection because I don't really need that. That is not the point of this video right now. And we're going to add some reduced speed areas. So in the left column, in network objects, left click on the text that says reduced speed areas. And then on your network, right click where you want to add that reduced speed areas. So right now we want the speed on right turn lanes and left turn lanes to be slower than what you would have on the through lanes. So let's do it. You can click and drag. You can right click and drag your reduced speed area. In your reduced speed area dialog box, you can add the desired speed for your vehicles by right clicking add, and you can change the speed at which your cars and heavy vehicles will travel at. So let's say that you can change it to whatever you think the desired speed will be, but let's just say that it's going to be 20 kilometers an hour for each of these vehicle types. And you can press OK. To avoid the need to use the dialog box for each zone, you can press and hold the control key and click and hold the left mouse button to create copies of the reduced speed areas that you just added. And then you can just drag and click to where you want to add it. And that means you don't actually have to change or have the dialog box pop up again. So hold down control, left click it, and just drag it to where you want it. And you can do this for all of them. Do I have it? And that makes it really fast. And you can edit the shape of it as required. You can make them longer, shorter, change the location of it, and you're good. Thanks for listening to this optional tutorial.